Hello everyone and happy Friday. So I'm going to take you guys into CVS to share with you guys the deals starting the 23rd of December. So Merry Christmas to all of you from my family to yours, and let's go and get some deals because there are still some great deals to be had at CVS. So let's go.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night.
Guys, so the first deal is going to be on the soft soap body washes. So these guys are on sale 2 for $7. Regular price is $4.99, and you're going to get a $3 extra care buck when you buy 2. So it makes it 2 for $4 after the extra care buck. But if you have a 2 off 6 CRT, these are going to drop down 2 for $2 or $1 a piece. So that is a really great deal on some soft soap body wash. So great deal. Okay, you guys, so there's another deal on the Yes To products. So when you spend $15 or more, you're going to get a $7 extra care buck. So what you could do is pick up this Yes To Clear Skin face mask. This is priced for $15.99. So you'd pay $15.99, then get that $7 extra care buck, making it $8.99. So this is a nice little stocking stuffer, and the whole line of the Yes To products are pretty good. You could do some of the cosmetic wipes. So yeah, it's definitely a good brand to go ahead and try out. I know the Dollar Tree has face masks for $1, but keep in mind not every Dollar Tree has the same stuff. So if this is something that you want to pick up, just head to CVS and get your extra care bucks for it. All right, so Nexus is on a spend 20, get 10. You guys know I love when this deal rolls around, so I always recommend the Color Assure line, especially if you have color treated hair. So the conditioner is priced for $21.49. So you would pay that out of pocket, then get the $10 extra care buck. But this deal is going to be better if you have a CRT for hair care. So like a 4 off 18, that would be really great here. So just spend 20 and get 10. So really great deal. And it says on any, so you can do the travel size as well. So if you want to pick up the shampoo instead, it is priced for $15.49. Then all you would need to do is grab one of the little travel sizes. They're $5.19, so you can go ahead and get like a travel of conditioner and a full size of shampoo. It just depends on what you want to do. So remember, spend 20, get 10, and there are tons of clearance here at CVS for select Nexus items. I don't know if the clearance is included in the spend 20, get 10. I don't know if clearance items will trigger it, but you could always try. All right, so the Kotex products, so this is going to be the 13 through 18 count of pads, and it's also going to be valid on the 15 through 18 count of tampons. So again, this is the Kotex. So when you buy one at $3.99, it's on sale for $3.99. Regular price is $6.49. You're going to get a $1 extra care buck when you buy one. So final price is going to be $2.99. So this is a hot deal. Even if you don't use this stuff, this is a great donatable item to get. So yeah, $2.99 for a package of pads or tampons is fantastic. Okay, so the diaper deal this week here at CVS is going to be on Huggies. So the Huggies diapers and the Huggies wipes, these guys are buy one, get one 50% off. So I'm going to have a little breakdown for you guys. There are some coupons you can send to your CVS app. So if you don't know how to use the CVS app, I'll have it pinned in the comments. But I haven't seen insert coupons for Huggies in quite some time. Now that I'm thinking about it, comment below if I'm wrong or not, because I really have not seen any insert coupons for Huggies. And I just want to add in a little disclaimer, you guys. I got a comment the other day telling me, I don't know why you show all these deals. It was kind of a comment of, are you really saving money when you're buying all this random stuff? I maybe do about 10% of the deals I actually show you. I just share with you guys a wide variety of deals because I have so many different people watching. So no, I don't do all of these deals. There's some weeks I never coupon, but you know, I know some items can be cheaper at other stores, but some of you, CVS is the closest thing to you. And some of you guys might not have Walmart's close or Target's close or all the other stores. So sometimes if CVS is the only deal you have to work with, and we really need to utilize the deals they have here, roll the extra care bucks and everything. So yes, I know some of these items are a little bit more high out of pocket when you're seeing the sticker price, but when I get comments like that, I just know that those people don't watch my videos regularly, and it might just be like a random video that they stumbled upon and they just don't know anything about couponing, which is totally fine, but just had to throw that out there. Guys, so the Quaker Oats, these guys are on sale on 2 for $4. So it's the Quaker Oat canisters as well as the Quaker granola bars. So they're priced 2 for $4. And we have $1 off 2 coupons on coupons.com for you guys to print. So it makes them 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. And then when you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, you get bonus points when you're purchasing Quaker items. So this is a really good deal if you are in need of some snacks. And this is always a great deal on oatmeal. So we have a mix and match deal. So when you spend $20 or more in certain products, so we have the 18 roll of Cottonelle, the 6 roll of Scott paper towels. These are on sale for $5.99. Also are 3 for $4. The big Palmolives are also included. So these are buy one, get one free. And we also have that 25-cent instant coupon that came from the Red Machine from this past week. And then also we're supposed to be getting 75-cent off coupons for the Cottonelle toilet paper. So I'll go ahead and have a little breakdown for you guys to share with you guys the best deal that I have worked up. So again, Cottonelle is included, also the Scott 6-pack, and also Kleenex, and lastly the large bottles of Palmolive. Okay, you guys, so there's a fantastic sale on the Honey Bunches of Oats. They are priced for $1.99 on sale. Regular price is $4.99, so this is a great sale price. So also on sale for that $1.99 sale price is going to be the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and we currently have $1 off 2 printable coupons on coupons.com that you could pair here. So you would buy 2 of them for $3.98 and then use that $1 off 2 coupons. So we'll make for a really great deal on some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Okay, you guys, so we have a deal on the M&Ms again. They are on sale 2 for $6. You're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2. It's the same deal that's running right now. So now you're down to 2 for $4. And then there's a $1 off 2 coupon from the 12.9 Retail Me Mott. So that makes them 2 for $3 or $1.50 each, which is a really great deal. Okay, so another deal on candy is going to be on Reese's candy. So these guys are priced 2 for $6. And you're going to get a $3 extra care buck when you buy 2. So final cost is 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. Same sales cycle that's running right now. So a lot of the deals that you're seeing for this past week is they're currently running for the next week as well. So definitely stock up on your candy. Okay, so also the CVS brand of batteries, these guys are on sale, buy one, get one free. So definitely go for some of the bigger packs. You can buy one of the $12.49 packs and get the second for free. So do not skip out on batteries, especially for toys.